Sometimes I feel like I done lost it, and I don't even really know the cost yet. But every time fear is on my mind, you remind my soul that I'm free. I know I can't go on my own.
Hello, I'm Patrick from Villa Flea Fine Homes. Today we are at Pescia Fiorentina, just about a 10-minute drive to the beach in the middle of the countryside. If you're looking for intimacy and quietness, I think that might be a good fit for you. Let's go, I'll show you around.
You call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. In it for the long ride, even when it felt like it's a long drive, even when it felt like it's a long time. Lord, I know that you were always on time. That's just what you do, that's just how you be, that's just how you lead, that's just how I'm free, that's just how I see you. Got everything, that's just what I need. Every single day you keep me breathing, my heart keeps believing that. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out. You're calling my name now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now.